Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your Snapchat link to your Instagram bio. So first you need to copy your Snapchat link by clicking on Snapchat and then go to your profile. Here I will go to my profile and here you need to click on the share icon on the top next to settings. Click on that and then click on copy link. Now you need to go to your Instagram and then click on edit profile and then here you need to click on add link and here you can type in your link. But as you can see that this link is too long and this won't look good in our Instagram bio. So first we need to shorten it by going to your browser, then here search for shorten URL and then click on the first link and here paste the URL that you just copied from Snapchat and here is your shorten URL. Copy it and then go to your Instagram, remove that link and then paste a new one. And here you can add Snapchat, click on done, save the changes and there you go. You have just added a Snapchat link to your Instagram bio. If I click on it, you will see my Snapchat profile. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for